Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to SIRENNET Television, where we have a 2020 Chevy Tahoe that's been accessorized very nicely, starting with the WHELEN CARBIDE control system. Now, the Tahoe itself has some unique features when it comes to how the lighting has been utilized. Up on the roof, we have the 54-inch Liberty 2 light bar, mirror beam kit with the surface mount ions, and up on the front end, SETINA, the PB400 series push bumper, sound off intersectors, dual color on the sides, the WHELEN nanos providing some wonderful floodlights on the front end, and a pair of WHELEN SA315 speakers. And for a little more lighting to the front end on the low level, the M4 lights and the Tahoe mounting provision. Now, as we move around to the sides of the vehicle, in the third windows are the AVENGER 2s in a red-blue. And rounding out the lighting package on the back of the Tahoe, a really nice lighting element that I like, again from the gang at WHELEN Engineering, and it's their outer edge. So Star Cars in the CARBIDE system has taken advantage of a really neat programming, flashing with the in modules and a steady flash programmed into the front. Now, this is a park mode for this vehicle, so there will be a lot more pop when it comes to this in a driving mode. Even with this vehicle, over here, opening the rear hatch, lighting goes up and subsidized with a simple set of WHELEN VERTEX and a nice back and forth alternating pattern. And the change to the front end, nice rapid flashing with the takedowns and the alleys, the WHELEN ions flashing away versus a steady flash position, wig-wag with the nanos. That's a nice feature when it comes to the CARBIDE system. It'll take care of both the flashing and the steady burn. And switching down, that is the action when it comes to the M4s. There you have it, a wonderfully accessorized Chevy Tahoe 2020, the last body style of this year that you'll see. I'm Chris. I'll see you next time.